In this video, I'll show you how to play 2 versus 2 versus 2 versus 2 in League of Legends. Now, it's basically just arena. Now, if you go to play right here and you choose arena, you'll see that you have a lobby full of these. Now, from in here, you can invite a friend if you want a duo, or you can simply queue up and get matched with random people. Now, in arena, what I suggest you do is head over to bliss.gg and open up their arena win rates. Now, from in here, you can see which champions are the best, or at least with the highest win rates. And in the lower elos, it doesn't really matter much, but when you get higher, you should choose the ones with the highest. You can also see for the duos. Now you can click on them and you can see which prismatics you should go and stuff like this. You can see the items right here and everything you need to know. Now, if you didn't want to make a big 2v2 lobby, you can simply make a small 2v2 if this is what you wanted by making a custom game. And from in here, you can simply add your friend and add a friend again to play 2 versus 2. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.